Okay, so we have two binomials, x plus 2 and x plus 3. And you'll see there's nothing here, so that means multiply. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this kind of method where you go 4 times, let's say 5, is 20. Right there. So we're going to use the same kind of method to multiply these. Because to multiply polynomials, you have to multiply all the terms in one polynomial with all the terms in the other polynomial. Okay, so let's do that. Let's set that up. And I have x plus 2, so I need 2 sections here. And it was x plus 3, like that, so I need 2 sections like that. Okay, and then we're going to multiply these just like we said earlier. X times x, so x times x gives me x squared. And then I'm going to multiply x times 3 and put it right there. That's 3x. And then 2 times x is going to go there. That's 2x. And 2 times 3 is going to go there. That's 6. And then after we multiply, just as when you multiply something like this, first you multiply and then afterwards you add. So we've done the multiplication part. Now we're going to add all of these in here because those are our answers. And if you'll notice, this has an x and so does this. So those get added together. And we have x squared. And then let's go ahead and put those together. Plus 5x plus 6. Okay? So that is multiplying. Now, what if we want to go backwards? What if we want to figure out what was multiplied? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use the same box. And we're going to put the terms in here. So this is x squared. But I have 4 boxes and only 3. Well, remember where the 5x came from? It came from these two here. So if I'm starting here, I don't know that this is 3x and 2x. I have no idea because, we're starting here. But I know this is x squared and I know this is 6. These two I know add up together to give me 5x. So to find those two, what we're going to do is we're going to use this little method. And we're going to take this a equals 1 because there's nothing there. B equals 5. C equals 6. We're going to multiply the 1 times the 6. We get 6. And then we put the 5 here. So we need 2 numbers that multiply to give me 6. But when I add them, they give me 5. So the numbers to multiply that give me 6, I start with 1 times 6. And then I always start with 1. Then I think, does 2 go into 6? Yes, it does. 2 times 3. So I've got 1, 2. And the next number is 3, and it's already here. So I start 1 goes into 6, 2 goes into 6. 3 is the next one, but it's already here. So I'm done. And which one of those add up to 5? Well, hello, the 2 and the 3 do. So that's going to be what we're going to put in here. We're going to put 2 and 3, but of course we need x's. That's where our 5x comes from. Okay, so now we need to figure out what goes on the outside here. Well, to get x squared, by definition, that is just x times x. And then I can look and see to get 3x, it's x times 3. And to get 6 is 3 times 2. Now we make sure does 2 times x is 2x. Yep, that's correct. So there you go. And now you found your x plus 2 times x plus 3.